Ashu?
No.
Oh, imports, yeah. As soon as they touch the ball, I start, right?
Huh?
As soon as they touch the ball, I'm gonna go.
No, I think these are just photos. I'm pretty sure these are just photos.
No way it is.
Like once they do it,
Okay, first five for Noble Pathways and Melbourne Moments for Good. So thank you broadly for the ceremonial toss.
God, she's throwing the ball. Oh, do I still put it to one?
huh?
I put it on one, right?
I don't know.
Is there photos still? Oh my god, she's throwing the ball up.
So first five for Noble.
She's throwing. What? Are we just posing for a photo?
Yeah. It's
it's
called
just-
ceremonial.
Players, please
sorry.
remove your
Please don't bash me.
jewelry, earrings, necklaces, and remove anything unusual. So first five for Noble Pathways, number 6, Stella, number 5, Ismail, number 15, Jamie Santos, number 5, Mark number 3, Vitsalos, 14, Vitsalos, number 16, Maclawi, and for Melbourne Movement for the boot. It's number
ceremonial
40, Aldana,
Ain't no
number
way.
9, Nakuin,
Boy, ain't no way.
number 15, Loman, number 13, Ganson, and number 91, General Gomez. Okay, let's get it on.
Left side and then who is right? Alright. What's happening?
This is our first game. Referees for tonight, that's Kuya Ryan and Dana. First possession belongs to Melbourne Moments for the boot. Ball is turned over. Ball is Ismail. Maclawi. First to the over. Stolen by Aldana. To Loma. Loma fakes. Shot. No good. Rebound for Alvarez. Ismail lays it up. Lays it in. 2-pointers good for Noble Pathways. 2 series to score. Aldana with the ball. Akuin. To Gomez. Aldana corner tray. No good. Ball ends up with Akuin. Turns the ball over. Stolen by Maclawi. Maclawi strong head to the basket. Right out of the shoot. Ball ends up with Josesti or Gonzalez. Ismail. To Santos. Wide open tray. Yes, sir! Rebound is good for Jamie Santos. Our finals MVP last season. 5 series to 4 in favor of Noble Pathways. Ganson will answer. Yes, sir! 3-pointer is good for Michael Ganson. Ismail started to Aldana. Inside pass to Talos. Mark with the ball. To Esquera. Esquera to Ismail. JD wide open three. One more time. Back-to-back triple for JD Santos. Aldana with the ball. Aldana to Akuin. Corner triple. Short. Ball and separate. General Gomez. Ganson. 8 on the shot clock. Ganson and Ismail. Behind the back pass. Loma overshoots. Rebound Gomez. Basket is good for General Gomez. 2-pointer is good for Gomez. Mark to Maclawi. Denied by Loma. Rebound by Esquera. Santos to Ismail. Marks the dribble. No good. Rebound by Esquera. Esquera. Reverse jumper. No good. Ball ends up with Gomez. Ganson. Eldama inside pass to Aquin. What a find by Eldama to Aquin. And he is cut down to one. Santos with the ball. For Isguera. Isguera to Santos. Brings to Ismael. Corner three. In and out. Rebound Ganson. Ganson. Pushing up the pace. Pass deflected. Recovered by Ganson. Floater no good. Rebound. And sa point. Maclawi. There's a foul on the floor. Backing foul. Foul on number 91. Then you left. General Gomez. First personal foul. First team foul. 6 minutes and 36 seconds in the clock. Maclawi overshoots. Rebound. Last touch. Last touch of number 5 race. Possession Melbourne Moments for good. Ganson. Coloma. Eldama for play. No good. Rebound Ismael. Stolen by Janal. That passes on the wrong way. Stolen by Maclawi. Maclawi to Santos. Santos to Isguera. Isguera to Mark. Pass is zero. Send for Ismael. Turnover for the back race. Ganson to Janal. Gomez posting up. Breaks. There's a foul. Hands foul on the back race. Foul on number 5, thank you, Red. Foul on Ismael. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws will be awarded to General Gomez. First free throws good for General, tying the ball game at 8 apiece. Chance for Melbourne Moments for the good to take the lead. 1 out of 2 for Janal. Defensive rebound by Loma. Denied by Ismael. Rebound by Isguera. Scramble to the loose ball. Ends up with Maclawi. Maclawi to Santos. Fires the dribble. No good. Goal is won by Maclawi. So sorry, Ismael. Ismael shot. No good. Rebound. Ganson. Ganson to Eldama. Eldama scored on the basket. Shot no good, but there's a foul. Foul on the back race. Number 13. Mark Gonzalez, first personal foul, second team foul. First free throw to Ramos good. Giving Melbourne Moments for good the first lead of the game. This is the first game of our week 1 opening games. Melbourne Pathways versus Melbourne Moments for good. Second free throw is no good. Rebound Ismael. Santos to Mark. Mark to Ismael. Farouk for Train. No good. Rebound Ismael. Put back no good. Put back by Joseph. No good. Rebound ends up with Gomez. Eldama against Maclawi. To Loma. Loma drives. Floater, no good. Rebound Isguera. Transition opens to the leading Maclawi. 2 points to the third for Mohamed Maclawi. 10-9 in favor of Melbourne Pathways now. Eldama looking for a teammate. Gomez, baseline jumper, no good. Rebound, Farouk Ismael. Gathering violations submitted by Ismael. Possession. Melbourne Moments for the good. Substitution rep, sub. Any sub? Okay, play on. Sub rep, sub Ismael for. So avoid any infraction, shouting or clapping towards the offensive player. Eldama against Isguera. To Ganson. Ganson to Aquin. Aquin back to Ganson. First the dribble. No good. Rebound. Aquin. Shot is no good. Possession, Noble Pathways. Philippines in the ball game now. Passes to Guerra. There's a foul. Foul on the floor. Foul on number 91, Gomez. That's 2 on Gomez. 2 on Melvin Gomez for the group. So 2 free throws will be awarded to Richard Guerra. First free throw is good for Richard Guerra. Second one is no good. Rebound by Aldama. Aldama passes to the opponent, stolen by Guerra. Foul given up by Aldama. Foul is number 40 to the left. Aldama, first personal foul, 13th foul. Esguerra with the ball. To Santos. Santos to Filippo. No look pass to Tatalo. McLawi, corner three. No good. Rebound. Last touch on Noble Pathways. Possession. Noble Movements for the group. Long available. Nice pass. Stolen by Santos. Santos to McLawi. Short step. No good. Rebound. McLawi off to the races. Aquamin drives, straight up, no good, that was a foul. Foul is on Noble Pathways. Foul is on number 13, Mark Tatsalio. Second personal foul on Mark, 13 foul on Noble Pathways. 2 free throws will be given to Tyrone Aquamin. First free throw is good for Tyrone. Second one is no good. Rebound ends up for Esguerra. That's the end of the first quarter. Official score 11 for Noble Pathways, 10 for Melvin Gomez for the booth.
They're pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah, I'd say so. I have 3 system fouls, don't I? 3 system fouls, right?
Yeah, I think. I don't know rules. For the right team with the right points?
Yeah, Vodafone is 10. Which is, because they're losing, I know that, and they're winning.
Yeah. Yeah, let's do that.
Reset the clock, right?
It's good. It's good.
Reset the clock.
CEO special for
Hey, do you get 3 new kids recently? Do you get 3 new kids recently in year 12? No? We get 3 other kids in our school got expelled, so they might go to you. Just saying. If you see 3 kids, they're probably the.
Bro, they're not going to be in any of my classes if they're expelled. Like, if they got expelled from the road, they're smart.
There's more kids. There's more kids.
Fair enough. Nah, I haven't. Phil, what do?
Okay, back to the ball game. We're heading to the second quarter with Noble Pathways holding on to a 1-point lead. Second quarter. Mata is in the ball game now. Esguerra back to Mata. Mata inside pass to the post. Shot by Kevin. Yes, it's good for Lester Duquesne, number 8. Chang with the ball. Bars the dribble. Short, rebound. There's a foul on the floor. Foul on Melvin Gomez, number 9. Tyrone Aquamin. First personal foul, first team foul. Dukusi to the ball, Esguerra. Mata to Cabral. Cabral recovers the ball to Mata. Esguerra against the wing. Screen by Dukusi. Mata, driving baseline. Pass. Recovered by Pilito, easy pass. Deflected. By Aldama, 1 second in the shot. 1 second to shoot. Esguerra to Dukusi. Shot, no good, rebound, Esguerra, put back by Esguerra, is good. (15-10) is the score in favor of Nabutahe. Gonzalez to Ganson. Ganson, baseline jumper, no good. Rebound, Esguerra. Esguerra to the streaking Mata, all alone. Layup is good for Mark Mata. Aldama bars the triple, too strong. Board secured by Esguerra. To Cabral, to Mata. Mata dumps it off to Cabral. Shot is good for Cabral. Easy basket for Crystal. Ganson with the ball, behind the basket, layup. Layup is good, everyone for the foul. Basket is good, substitution break. Foul is on Novo Pathways, number 13. So, cancel, timeout.
Mamaya, after nito, pag-shoot, mamaya, dead ball. Hindi, pag-shoot, walang timeout. Dead ball lang. Dead ball, timeout, dead ball.
Rebound by Esguerra. Stolen by Aquin. The lead is 7 for Novo Pathways. Aquin to Ganson. Ganson loses the ball. They go to Chan. Chan for Trey. No good. Rebound Pilito. Pilito holded by Aquin. To Crystal. Crystal for Esguerra. Esguerra under duress. Stolen by Aquin. Coming out of bounds. Time out left. Melbourne Lions for the booth. 6 minutes and 38 remaining in the second quarter. This is week 1. First game between Novo Pathways and Melbourne Lions for the booth.
No, there.
Okay, back to the ball game. Novo Pathways with 7-point lead. 5 minutes and 33 remaining in the second quarter. Mata will rebound the ball for Novo Pathways to the Dukusi. Mata inside pass to Pilito. Pilito kicks it out to Mata for Trey. Short, rebound by Pilito. Pilito breaks. Pass to the Dukusi, stolen by Nova. Chan with the ball, counter steal by Maclawi. Dukusi denied by Nova. Ismael against Chan. Ismael to Mata. Mata shot, denied by Nova, rebound by close it down. Give it to Chan. Chan pass the triple. We are ready. So ball is stuck in the ring. Substitution rep. Possession remains with Melbourne Lions for the booth. Substitution rep. Chen for Gomez. So, sorry. Possession will be Melbourne Moments. It will stay there. Yeah, same possession. So 15 on the shot clock for the booth. Aldama corner Trey. In and out, rebound, Aldama. Aldama to Gomez. Gomez takes. Shot. Layup is good by Janelle Gomez. What a drive by Janelle. And he is down to 5. Pelito with the ball. Pelito drive. Shot is short. Rebound. Inside Ganson. Ganson to Loma. Loma. Stop. Pops. Shot is no good. Ball secured by next to ball. Ismail. Farouk. Forward pass. Solid by Aldama. Aldama drives. Denied by Ismail. Rebound by Mata. There's a foul. Sabret. Who's foul then? Number 13 on Nobu Pasaways. Oh, sorry, it's Nobu. Ganson, first personal foul, 17 foul. Pelito out. Mark Tatalius in. Gonzalez out, Aquino for Nobu Moment. Mata looking for a teammate. Inside pass to Mark. Mark pass to Frederick. Recovered by Gokusi. Shot no good. Shot by Tatalius no good. Mark. There's a foul on the floor. Pushing foul. Foul on number 91, Janelle Gomez, substitution left, third personal foul, third team foul. That's 3 on Janelle Gomez. Sabret. Mark Mata for Maclawi. 14 on the shot clock for Nobu Pasaways. Tatalius to Cabral. Ismael fires the triple. Yes, sir! 3 points on this good for Farouk Ismail. Next Sabret. Total figure lead now for Nobu Pasaways. Aldama from Janelle Gomez. Baseline jumper, no good. Ismail with board. Here comes Nobu Pasaways. McLally. Coast to coast. Layup is good. 12-point lead now for Nobu Pasaways. Ganson. Shot, no good. Rebound Ismail. Tatalius. Mark with the ball. Bounce pass to Cabral. Shot, no good from that line. Tatalius no good. Ball is up with Aldama. Aldama stop, pops. Money for Aldama. Mid-range jumper is good for Aldama. Maclawi the ball to Tatalius. Mark under duress. Mark lose the ball. Stolen by Aquino. Aldama to Aquino. And the first free throw for Maclawi is no good. Second one still not good for Maclawi. Official score. We have the first half players. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it a back shout out to this season's main event sponsor, Nobu Pasaways. Nobu Pasaways is set to be the major sponsor of this season's NFBL tournament. They show their skills and wisdom.
Foul is on number 91, Gomez. That's 4 on Gomez, first team foul on Melbourne Gomez ball. For the restaurant. 15-point lead by Nobu Pasaways. Aquino. Bounce it off to Gonzalez. Shot no good. Rebound Esguerra. Esguerra to Santos. Pass deflected by Aldama. Stolen by Aquino. Aquino to Aldama. Aldama stop, pumps. In and out. Last stop from Kuya Jerry. Possession Nobu Pasaways. Santos with the ball. To Esquerra. Ismail drops it up to the field. Charles to the ball. To Loma. Akuin. Floater by Akuin, no good. Rebound Ismail. Just a foul on the floor. Foul is on number 9, Akuin. Akuin, second personal foul, 13 foul. Mata to Santos. Ismail for Trey, short. 3 minutes and 27 remaining. Substitution left. Mata to Esguerra. Esguerra, shot is good. Then one plus a final for Esguerra. Foul is on Melbourne Moments for the booth. Foul is on number 9, Akuin. Akuin, third personal foul, warning for penalty. Bonus free throw for Richard Esguerra. No good in the free throw, rebound by Pinito. Santos, corner tray. No good, rebound by Aldama. Aldama, handed by Esguerra. To Loma. Ball recovered by Akuin. Akuin. To Loma. Pass intended for Loma is too low. Turnover for Melbourne Moments ball booth. Santos to Esguerra. Santos to Cabral. Santos shot, no good. Rebound, Cabral. Cabral shot, no good. There's a foul. Penalty, where the penalty is. Foul is on block number 15. Loma, third personal foul, penalty. Substitution is get out, Bukusini. Two free throws for Christoph Cabral. First free throw is no good for Christoph Cabral. Second free throw still no good, rebound Aldama. But stolen by Cabral to Bukusini. Shot by Bukusini is good. Aldama turns the ball over, stolen by Cabral again. Layup is no good. Put back by Bukusini is good. Loma under duress. Ball recovered by Ganson. Ganson takes shot. And one is good for Michael Ganson. Foul is on Novo Capital. Foul is on number 00. Mark Mata, first personal foul, 17 foul.
Oh, sorry.
Ganson. Bonus free throw is good for Michael Ganson. Last 6 seconds, 5 seconds to shoot. Santos 2 seconds, shot by Bukusini. That's the end of the third quarter. Official score, 45 for Novo Capital, 25 for Melbourne Moments for the booth.
How are you coping?
Good. It crashed. It crashed in the middle of it.
Are we done?
Is it alright?
I think so, yeah.
The score is okay?
Yeah, I think so. Wow, what a pro.
It crashed. It crashed with black, right? I'm like, oh, shit. And then, like, I don't know, the iPhone was connected to that, so it was like off time. And then, like, oh my god. I'm gonna take a nap. We'll have to do methods. Yeah, Chad. I'm 5 seconds behind. 5 seconds behind.
Our second game for tonight, please be ready. Orifix Mobile Rapid Repair versus Pinot. Raise Orifix Mobile Rapid Repair versus Pinot.
Y-axis. That's Y-axis, right? No, that's the X-axis.
Along the y-axis, it's like here.
Y-axis is this way, and the X-axis is this way.
No, technically no. This
No,
is
but
the
if it's on the
y-axis.
X-axis,
if you're moving
on the
if you're
X-axis, it's up and
translating
down.
vertically and horizontally, then that's along the y-axis. But if you're moving left to right, then that's along the x-axis. It's alright. You want it.
Okay, back to the ball game. Fourth quarter possession belongs to Melbourne Moments. For a good. Point lead by Noble Pathways. Chan first the dribble, short, rebound Mata. Mata loses the ball, great defense by Kuya Jelly. Possession remains with Melbourne Moments. Chan will rebound the ball to Ganson. Ganson under duress. Pass to Janelle with intention, but Gomez is not good. Dukusin to Mata. To Cabral. Cabral to Mata. Swings to Benito. Kicks it out to Cabral. 3 seconds inside the key. Turnover. Too long inside the key. Turnover for Noble Pathways. Gomez to Aldama. Aldama looking for a teammate to Ganson. Ganson inside pass. Deflected. Rebound by Dukusin. To the shooting Mata. Mata transition offense. Layup is good. 3-pointer is good for Mata. 22-point lead now by Noble Pathways. Ganson under duress. Stolen by Cabral. Counter steal by Aldama. Aldama, hesitation move, layup is good. Sweet move by Aldama. Next sublet, Dukusin inside. Shot by Dukusin, and one plus a foul. Substitution left, foul number 60, Jerry Gonzalez. First personal foul, thank you, Red. Loma and Akumin checks in, Gonzalez and Chan checks out. Dukusin, chance for an end one. Bonus free throw is good for Dukusin. Akumin, shot, floater is good for Tyrone Akumin. Mata with the ball. Mata to Cabral, back to Mata, to Earl, mosquito for Trey, overshoots, Janelle with the ball. Aldama, against Cabral, bounce pass to Akumin, one time by Aldama to Akumin. Next sublet, Mata to Dukusin. Dukusin with the ball. To Cabral, 6 seconds to shoot. No look pass. Dukusin no good at the floater. Rebound Akumin. Akumin. Shot a short rebound by Mata. Mata to Mosquide. All alone for Trey. Yes, sir! 3-pointer is good for Earl Mosquide. Ganson under duress. Pass to Gomez. Gomez with the ball against Benito. Shot is short, rebound by Benito. Benito to Mata. That was a foul. Substitution left, foul is number 9. Akumin. That's 4 on Akumin. 4th personal foul, 17th foul. Dukusin for Mark Tatalius.
fouls, it was like a free throw.
Mata with the ball. Akuin. Running jumper is short. Rebound by Loma. Ganson, transition offense. Layup is good for Michael Ganson. Mata to Earl. Maspire back to Mata. Bago the shot clock. Mata to Benito. Benito. Shot is good for Ralph Anthony Benito. Tama for three. Yes, sir. 3-pointer is good for Charles Aldama. 5 minutes and 3 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Benito thinking about taking the three. Hesitates. Gives the ball to Mata. To Cabral, wide open three. Bang! 3-pointer is good for Christoph Cabral. Aldama with the ball. Aldama with the answer. Yes, sir! Aldama with the answer was on three. Mata to Earl, wide open three. Overshoots. Possession. Melvin Rollins for the booth. Substitution set. Mark Mata for McLaughlin. Earl Mosquera for Ismail. Richard Isguera for Christoph Cabral. 4 minutes and 2 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Our second game. Rayonics more level defense versus Simoke. Ganson working on against Ismail. To Akuin for three, short. Rebound and set with Isguera. To the streaky McLaughlin. Return to the favor to Isguera. Layup is good. What a game by Robert Pavlov. Not next by Ganson. Ganson floated. Rebound Ismail. Forward pass to McLaughlin. Substitution set. Good intention, but too hard to handle. Pilito checks out. Santos checks in. Turnover for Robert Pavlov. 3 minutes and 16 seconds remaining in our fourth quarter. Gomez to Aldama. Aldama screen by Roma. Kicks it out. Akuin. Bounce back to Ganson. To Aldama for three. Yes! Yes, yes, contact. Bonus free throw is good for Aldama. 60-43 in favor of Nova Pathway. 2 minutes and 35 in the last quarter. McLaughlin inside. Too strong. Put back by Chachanios. No good. Rebound by Loma. To the screen Ganson. Layup is good by Ganson. Hands in his face. Makes the bucket. McLaughlin. Ball recovered by Santos. Santos to Isguera. Isguera driving baseline. Shot is good for Isguera. Ganson turns the ball over, stolen by Santos. Santos to Mark. Tatalias, 2-pointer is good for Mark Tatalias. Last 2 minutes. Aldama against McLaughlin. To Gomez short on the shot, rebound by Santos. Tatalias with the ball. Tatalias with numbers, Isguera. Layup is good. Gomez to Aldama. Step back three, too strong, rebound by Isguera. To Ismail. Ismail to Santos. Pass to Ismail, layup is good. Akuin working on against McLaughlin. Stolen by McLaughlin. McLaren against Gomez. Layup is no good. There's a foul. Foul on Melbourne Moments photo booth. Foul is on number 10. Number 9, that's it for the night for Aquin. Aquin, 5th personal foul, called out. 3rd team foul for Melbourne Moments. Aquin checks out, Chan checks in, Gomez checks out, and Gonzalez checks in. First free throw, no good for McLaren. Second one still no good, rebound by Isguera. Isguera jumper was good for Isguera. Gonzalez in trouble, working on against McLaren, falling by McLaren. McLaren coast to coast, layup is short, rebound by Loma. Danson. Gonzalo for 3, no good, rebound by Piagelli. Gonzalez short, stab short. Shot by Chan is no good. Aldama for 3, no good, rebound, Cecilio. Last 32 seconds. Three seconds under the three. Turnover for Richard Isguera. Last 22 seconds. Aldama working on against McLaughlin. Aldama mid-range Jay, no good. Rebound and success Ismail. Last 8 seconds. McLaughlin inside. No good. Layup is good for McLaughlin. That's the end of the first game. Official score 72 for Nova Pathways and 45 for Melbourne Moments 42. We're going to draw the winner of meal voucher and t-shirt.
I'll tell you this.
Our second game, 2 minutes warm up. It's